We're learning today about the mysterious deaths of more American tourists in the Dominican Republic. Dawn McCoy and her 45-year-old husband, David, were spending a dream vacation at the Hard Rock Hotel when he suddenly became ill and died.
We were having a great time, and we went down there as a happy family, and we ended up coming home as a broken family.
It happened last July, but she's coming forward now after hearing about the deaths of 3 American tourists within 5 days.
My husband's story needs to be told because of all these other people. Something's not right in the Dominican Republic.
Her husband's death was ruled a heart attack by authorities in the Dominican Republic, but his wife told Inside Edition she doesn't believe it.
My husband was a very fit, very healthy person when he passed away, and I'm finding a lot of suspicion to it.
A heart attack is also claimed to be the cause of tourist Miranda Werner's death. The 41-year-old psychotherapist was staying at the Bahia Principe Hotel. Stephen Fabian is there.
So this is a room in the exact same hotel where Miranda checked in with her husband to celebrate their anniversary. You can see the accommodations, king-size bed. There's a nice balcony over here. But as soon as they checked in, the husband says she had a drink from the minibar. Now, the minibar looks pretty standard. You've got some sodas, some bottled waters, some beers, some small little airplane-sized bottles of alcohol there, and 2 bags of chips. As soon as she had something from the minibar, her husband says she fell violently ill and died suddenly right here in the room.
A Colorado couple say they became seriously ill at the same resort last summer. Kaylin Null says she and her boyfriend were enjoying every moment of their vacation until their room began smelling of chemicals. They say they suffered dizziness, blurred vision, stomach cramps, and shortness of breath.
We both woke up soaked in sweat at like 4 in the morning and kind of terrified. We booked a flight home before the sun came up.
They were sick for 6 weeks. A doctor in the U.S. told them they had been poisoned by pesticide.
It felt like a chainsaw going through my gut.
Now all these tourists, those who survived and the families of those who died, say they want answers.